Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Daria Wear. I am back and I'm sharing 7 tips on how to pack without overpacking, so stay tuned. Tip number 1, make sure you choose the right suitcase. For the most part, I use just a regular carry-on suitcase. I fly standby, so I have to make sure that I have a suitcase that can fit above my seat, and so I don't have any issues with them wanting to check my bag, because sometimes I don't know if I'm going to be connecting to another flight, and I don't want to lose my bag. So it's very important to make sure you have the right suitcase depending on whatever vacation or trip that you're going on. So that's number 1, make sure you choose the right suitcase. Tip number 2 is to mix and match. It's very, very important when it comes to packing your clothes to make sure that you're, packing solid colors, so that it's easier for you to create multiple looks from those solid colors. By all means, pack some leopard, pack a print, but don't let that be your entire wardrobe for your trip. I'm telling you, you'll be able to make multiple looks by sticking with solids. I'm gonna show you all of the stuff that I'm actually, they're outfits that I have planned, but that doesn't mean that I'm taking it all. I'm going to show you where I may have a little fun stuff, and then I have things that are like solid because I know I can do jeans with this, and then these shorts with that top, and then some jeans with that. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to maneuver this whole mix and match thing, but definitely keep that in mind. You want to mix and match and stick with solid colors. As I mentioned before, I have my 2 looks, my 2 options for the wedding. Those are coming regardless. But I made sure that I had more statement tops, I guess you could call them, that would work with jeans. So if I just bring this one pair of jeans with me, I can maneuver or wear them both, but still give you a different look. And then it also depends on the footwear as well. So I could wear some of my sandals that I bring, because I'm sticking to those solid colors. So either one of these tops can go with those jeans or the denim shorts. So taking half of this, got the dress, that's thinner. I can obviously pack that and not have any issues. This is a little bulkier, so I may go ahead and leave this. I don't think I absolutely need it, so we'll take that out. If I want a statement piece, I could always bring this jumpsuit, and obviously it's a little thinner too, so that's perfect. I'll still have space in my bag for it. And staying along those lines of the solids that I'm bringing, I'll have sandals to go with this. So definitely just cutting things down. Like if you know something's bulkier, you may not want to bring that. Definitely bringing more tops than pants, sticking with a pair of jeans or a pair of black pants that you can wear with multiple outfits. Tip number 3 is to keep the accessories small. As you can see, these are the 3 bags that I have planned for my trip. The clutch is easy, and I can obviously it'll fit into the bag flat. I won't have any issues there. And the same with this one. This one is a little more structured, but for the most part, I usually only take one carry-on bag, and I try to make sure that it's big enough for it to fit another purse, something that's not big, but something that I can maneuver within my trip with every single outfit that I have. This is a new bag that I got from Target, and it's big enough to actually fit my laptop and everything else. And I'm sure that I could fit my Marc Jacobs bag in it as well. So if I do choose to go with this bag, I shouldn't have any issues there. So yeah, it fits right in there. And it's an easy travel bag. Same with this bag as well. But this one is probably a little better because I can fit like snacks and my toiletries and things like that in there. But it's very important to make sure that your accessories are small. It will help you when you're, finalizing and putting your looks together. So keep that in mind. Tip number 4 is keep your shoes neutral. It's super important to keep your shoes neutral because you want to be able to wear them with every single outfit that you have, and then you want to be able to create multiple looks from those 3 neutral pairs of shoes. For me, it's probably good to have 2 good neutral shoes and maybe 1 snazzy pair, depending on what your trip is for. I'm going for a wedding, so of course I need something to wear to the wedding, and then I'm gonna probably have a sandal and then a sneaker. But yeah, make sure that the sneakers are like a nude or a black, or the sandals are nude or black or whatnot. It'll definitely help you out when you're, trying to choose what outfits you're gonna have within your suitcase. Okay, so as you can see, I am trying to narrow down, this is pretty good. This is as narrow as it's gonna get as of now. I've got my snazzy sneakers here. Obviously they have a whole bunch of colors, so that's really good because I can do multiple looks with that. And then I have my really bright sandals, and then I have my neutral pair of Converse, and then my black and white Jordans, and then here are my sandals. And these are my shoes that I may or may not wear for the wedding, but I'll have a heel. So yeah, just keeping it really basic. I will probably only take 3 pairs of shoes for the most part. But again, making sure that you're keeping your shoes as neutral as possible and not bringing tons of color. It'll definitely have you with a full bag. So tip number 5 is to roll your clothes. Not only will it help create more space in your bag for other items, but it may also keep you from having to iron. So you can't beat that. Okay, so this is the beginning of me rolling up my items, and I still have a ton of room in here for like my pajamas and things like that. So just roll it up. So tip number 6 is to only take half. I have a bed full of clothes just for this 3-day trip to Charlotte, knowing that I don't have enough days or places to go when I get there. But I'm gonna make sure that I kind of start breaking it down and figuring out what outfits that I'm definitely gonna wear, or just taking tops out or taking bottoms out and making sure I'm maneuvering multiple tops with the 2 pair of jeans that I bring or whatnot. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, so the wedding that I'm attending this weekend, is the attire is all white. So I have a blazer dress that I'm bringing, but I also have a second outfit that I'm gonna bring, just in case it's really hot right now in North Carolina. So I just wanted to have options. So that's gonna cut back on what all the other things that I'm bringing. But obviously this is a solid. I can actually maneuver these pants if I don't wear them to the wedding, as a look. So outside of that, I have this solid color dress, and I have this really cute sheer top. And that's black, solid, keeping it funky. And I always make sure that I bring some denim, some plain denim, because I can wear this to the airport. I can wear it out with like a tube top or just a tank top. So making sure you bring your basics as well. So I have my jean shorts, I have my jeans, and then I make sure I have at least a white tank and some black leggings. You just never know. You want to make sure you have items that you can travel in or just throw things on. So make sure you pack those as well. But yeah, I also have items that are a little funky, but maybe thinner. Okay. Black and white. Black, more black. It seems like I have a lot of black here, but it's going to be easy for me to maneuver all of these looks together because I'm sticking on the color palette of black. So solid colors, definitely important. Okay, so tip number 7 is to wear your bulkier items on the plane. So obviously when you're traveling, it's usually either really hot or really cold on the plane. For the most part, it's cold for me. And so I like to either wear a denim jacket or some type of sweatshirt. And that's just not something I would want to pack. So I would wear that on the plane. And even in addition to that, my shoes. Now, if I'm bringing sneakers with me, I probably want to wear my bulkier sneakers to travel in, so that I don't have to take up all that space in my bag. Okay, so these are my options as far as my bulkier items or things to travel in. So this is my basic jean jacket. It's a little longer and I usually always travel in this, but I do have 2 sweatshirts to choose from. I'm only taking one. So I think I may go with the jean jacket because I can also use it for my other looks that I may take with me as well. So definitely wear your bulkier items to travel in so that you're not using up space in your bag. Wait, I got one bonus tip for you. Make sure that you're sticking with items that are a little thinner so they don't take up tons of room in your bag. Now, when you're going with bulkier stuff like sweaters, I mean, it really depends on your destination, but if at all possible, make sure that you're working with items that are a little thinner and won't take up tons of room in your bag. All right, guys, that about sums it up. Ways for you to pack without overpacking. Super important. 1, pick the right suitcase. 2, mix and match those outfits so you're not bringing a ton of stuff. 3, keep the accessories small. We don't have time for all that bulky mess. 4, choose neutral shoes. Have options, but not too many options. 5, only take half. You don't need all that stuff, I promise. 6, roll them suckers up. Roll it up so you don't have to worry about ironing, and then you have more room. And then 7, wear your bulkier items on the plane. I promise you won't regret it. All right, guys, I'll see you next time.